Presenting the Bajaj new Shakti Neo water heater 15 liters in white color. It is available in 10, 15 and 25-liter variants. This Bajaj water heater is designed with titanium armor and Swirl flow technology that prevents corrosion and rusting for a longer tank life. It is suitable for 8 bar pressure and it comes with copper element and a magnesium anode rod. This water heater has a pre-coated metal outer body with weld-free joint. It also features titanium glass-lined enamel-coated mild steel tank with multiple safety system and a fire retardant cable for durability. It comes with PUF insulation and features a child safety mode. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and